Your legs, they don't just hurt anymore. In the winter, they feel like stone. Every step feels heavy, as if you are walking through wet cement. And deep down, there is that quiet fear, the fear that one wrong step on the cold ground will lead to a fall. You might think this is just getting old, but biology tells a different story. The cold weather is constricting your blood vessels and starving your muscles of oxygen. But you do not have to accept this weakness. Nature has provided two specific winter vegetables that act as high-octane fuel for your legs. Today, we are going to use science to rebuild your strength so you can walk with the confidence of a 20-year-old again. Let's discover the cure that is hiding in your kitchen. Vegetable number 1, the ultimate muscle battery. Sweet potatoes. Let's dive deep into the first powerhouse vegetable. It is a winter staple that is often misunderstood. The sweet potato. Many seniors avoid potatoes because they fear starch, but the sweet potato is different. It is not just food, it is a biological battery for aging muscles. To understand why it restores leg strength, we have to look at the 3 major problems your legs face in winter: energy crashes, cramps, and inflammation. Sweet potatoes solve all 3. First, let's talk about the energy crisis. When you walk, your leg muscles need glycogen, stored energy. White potatoes or bread give you a sugar spike, but then you crash, leaving your legs feeling heavy and wobbly after just 10 minutes of walking. Sweet potatoes are complex carbohydrates. They digest slowly. When you eat them, they release energy drip by drip into your bloodstream. This provides a steady burning fire for your thighs and calves, allowing you to walk for longer distances without that drag-down fatigue. Second, and perhaps most importantly for winter, is the potassium factor. Cold weather makes muscles tight. If you suffer from leg cramps at night, those painful moments where your toes curl and your calf locks up, you are likely low in potassium. Sweet potatoes have more potassium than bananas. Potassium is an electrolyte that acts like an electrical switch for your nerves. It tells your muscles exactly when to contract, and more importantly, when to relax. By eating sweet potatoes, you are essentially lubricating the electrical system of your legs, preventing those painful winter lockups. Thirdly, we must talk about the color. That bright orange color comes from beta-carotene. When you eat it, your body converts this into vitamin A. Why does this matter for your legs? Because vitamin A is a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Winter joint pain is often caused by inflammation in the tissues surrounding the knee and ankle. The nutrients in sweet potatoes work to calm this inflammation down, reducing the swelling that makes walking difficult. How to optimize it? To get these benefits, you must treat it right. Do not boil all the nutrients away in water. Bake them in their skins, and always eat them with a healthy fat like olive oil or a little butter. Vitamin A is fat-soluble, meaning if you eat it dry, your body flushes it out. The fat helps your body absorb the medicine. Vegetable number 2, the blood flow and nerve healer. Spinach. If sweet potatoes are the fuel, our second vegetable is the highway that delivers that fuel to your muscles. We are talking about spinach. In the winter, your blood vessels naturally shrink to keep your body warm. This is a disaster for your legs because it cuts off the supply of nutrients. This is why your feet feel numb or cold. Spinach is the ultimate antidote to this problem because of a miraculous molecule called nitric oxide. Spinach is one of the richest sources of nitrates in the plant kingdom. When you chew spinach, bacteria in your mouth convert these nitrates into nitric oxide. This gas travels through your body and signals the inner lining of your arteries to relax and widen. Imagine a narrow garden hose suddenly becoming a fire hose. That is what happens to your blood flow. Suddenly, warm, oxygen-rich blood rushes down to your toes, waking up dormant nerves and warming up cold joints. But the benefits of spinach go deeper than just blood flow. We need to talk about iron. A major cause of leg weakness in seniors is subclinical anemia, a slight lack of iron, which means your blood cannot carry enough oxygen. If you get out of breath easily or your legs feel exhausted after climbing just a few stairs, you need more iron. Spinach is packed with it. By boosting your iron levels, you increase the oxygen capacity of your muscles, giving you true endurance. Furthermore, spinach contains a powerful antioxidant called alpha-lipoic acid. This is crucial for anyone over 60, especially if you have high blood sugar. Alpha-lipoic acid has been shown to lower blood sugar levels and, crucially, reduce peripheral neuropathy. Neuropathy is that tingling, burning, or numbness in the feet that makes you feel unstable when you stand. By feeding your nerves with this compound, spinach helps restore the sensation in your feet, improving your balance and preventing falls. Finally, we cannot forget vitamin K. You cannot have strong legs with weak bones. Spinach is incredibly high in vitamin K, which acts as the glue that holds calcium in your bones. It prevents your bones from becoming brittle, ensuring that your skeletal system is strong enough to support your daily walks. How to optimize it? Raw spinach is good, but lightly cooked spinach is often better for seniors. Cooking it breaks down oxalic acid, which helps you absorb more of the iron and calcium. A simple sauté with garlic, which also boosts circulation, is the perfect prescription for leg strength. Conclusion: reclaim your movement. So, you have a choice. You can let the winter freeze your mobility, or you can fight back with the tools nature has given you. Imagine waking up tomorrow, stepping onto the floor, and feeling a solid, warm connection with the ground. Imagine walking to the park without looking for a bench to rest on. This is not a fantasy. It is biology. Start today. Go to the market. Buy the orange sweet potatoes for your muscles. Buy the green spinach for your blood flow. Treat these foods not just as a meal, but as your daily medicine. I want you to make a promise to yourself today, a promise that you will not accept weakness as your final chapter. You are not finished. You are rebuilding. If you are ready to reclaim your mobility, leave a mark in the comments below. Write just one word: strong. That is your declaration. Walk tall, eat well, and remember, strength has no age. Please like this video if it helped you, and subscribe for more wisdom on natural healing. See you in the next video.